With remote monitoring, we are able to receive email notifications if a network device, processor, or AV component is offline. Once a system notification is received, our team is able to diagnose, reboot, and restore the system to proper working order. This allows for fast updates to a system. In most cases, the owners are unaware that an issue was ever present. Remote monitoring is a must. Being able to receive and make updates to residential, marine, and commercial projects from all over the world is a big part of AHT's service and support.